We're truly crystalline water beings. So liquid crystalline water is the medium of life and the interface between energy, consciousness, and physical form. Our health, thoughts, and very being are reflected in our internal waters. And I love this little quote from Hilton Hotima. Let the flowers be an example to expound the mystery. They charm our eyes and make us drowse with their perfume. The flower is born of the seed, fallen into the earth. Even so, when our body returns to the substance of the earth from which it is made, the spirit that is held captive is breathed out like a perfume into the higher realm. For the spirit was contained in the body, just as the perfume was contained in the seed. And Schauberger, each kind of plant produces its own kind of water. So we face as many different waters as the number of different plants. Water is everywhere. Water at the galactic center. So it's H2O masers. First they didn't know what they were. They were picking up these like molecular bands in their radio waves, radio telescopes, and they called it mysterium because supposedly there's nothing in space. There couldn't be anything. It's a vacuum, right? And then they realized not only H2O and hydroxyl OH, but formaldehyde and all these other organic molecules are basically lasing around the galactic center and star birthing regions. So there's literally water, organic molecules, carbon stars, everything around the galactic center, which is not a black hole. Black holes are nonsense. They're what's left over from Newton's watching the apple fall and not thinking about how it got up. There's active living plasmas at the cores of galaxies. So, discovery of water in the Milky Way central plasmoid by the James Webb Space Telescope. So it's water everywhere. Stars found shooting water bullets. Solar wind creates water and stardust, implications for life. Scientists discover the oldest, largest body of water in existence in space. Astronomers discover snow surrounding new star for the first time. Organic molecules found in the galactic core. Our stellar nursery spitting out building blocks of life as well as stars. And of course, we know there's the ice moons of the planets. There's water everywhere, including the center of our cells. This is why I say we're hydrosapien. So 99% of the body's molecules are water in a highly structured liquid crystalline state, crucial for cellular function, communication, and information transfer. So this structured water acts as a fractal antenna, enabling our complex biological systems. So DNA is intimately connected with structured water. So DNA is coated in geometrically arranged water attached by hydrogen bonds, and has a pillar of structured water through the central column of the helix, influencing DNA shape, stability, and interactions. There's actually billions of water molecules around every DNA. So water, architect of biological materials. This is some more recent research, and what they're finding is like all organic materials basically formed using water, hydrating forces. So new discovery, water plays a crucial role in defining biological materials. Water permeates these materials, giving rise to their solid properties. Researchers coined the term hydration solids for this new class of matter. So the key findings, water molecules and biological materials push against the materials molecules. This hydration force is the main factor determining the material's properties. So simple equations can now predict properties like elasticity based on water's influence. So this applies to 50 to 90% of the living world, wood, fungi, plants. So it answers a lot of questions, but it shows it really is water's world. We are water. We're 99.9% water molecules. And water is a fractal antenna.